Hi. So you're just finishing building your MG narrative Gundam C-Pax Ver.Ka by Bandai. While you admiring the marvel of engineering of this kit, you realize something. You cannot pose the Gundam side by side with the core fighter. If you have this frustration, you're not alone. I just wish Bandai made the replacement for the core fighter to put it in the Gundam so we can pose the core fighter side by side with the Gundam. Don't get me wrong, I really like this kit, so I came up with a plan. Since I have a 3D printer at my disposal, I'll just have to print the replacement. But first, I have to make the 3D model. Look at the shape of this thing. I don't even know where to start. I just wish I have the expensive 3D scanner, but I have something close to 3D scanner. Photogrammetry. So, I take a bunch of pictures of the separated part of the core fighter. Load it on the photogrammetry program, masking it, and run it. And so photogrammetry failed. I don't have the 3D scanner. I guess it's time for good old manual measuring. So using the picture I had taken earlier, I traced the shape in AutoCAD, scale it to size, load the shape to 3D Max, and start modeling it while using my caliper to measure the original. Export it to STL, load it to the slicer, slice it, and print. Post-processing and curing. And we're done. I've print 4 versions of it. The first print, the details not all there, but I just want to see how well it will fit. Here you can see the drain hole. Since this print I use cavity. So actually the drain hole is too small to actually drain out the resin from the inside, and I have hard time to place the drain hole in this model. Now let's see if it fits. Upper body, it fits pretty well. To the lower body, nope, it won't fit. Let's move on. The second print, as you can see, I try to add more detail from the original model, but it's still not all there. And I add more drain hole, but turns out all the resin still cannot drain out properly. On to the fit test. Upper body fit as expected. Lower body, well, it fits, although it's a bit forced in the lower part. The third print, well, I add more detail on it, but I missed some and the print didn't come out well. Some part broken and some didn't translate well on the print. I suspect because of the print orientation. Another thing is I removed the cavity so it won't have leaking resin problem. Let's see if it fits. Upper body fits, Lower body, fits. The fourth print. I think I managed to add all the details from the original model. The print came out well, and it fits pretty well. But I realized that with the 3D print core fighter, the kit is slightly higher compared to the original. Perhaps I'll revise it sometime in the future. So that's it. Now you can pose your narrative Gundam C-Pax Ver.Ka with its core fighter. While I know it's not perfect, since the cockpit area is not in clear resin and you cannot see the pilot inside. But I really enjoy doing this project, so I decided to make a video of it and post it on YouTube. For the next project, I was thinking something to put all the parts from the Psycho frame that also serve as a base for the kit. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe, like and comment down below. See you in the next video.